In this video, I'll show you the best way to keep Auto Start Stop turned off in your 2023 Subaru Outback using the Autostop Eliminator. The device connects to the vehicle wiring harness at the back of the stereo camera. For the installation, we recommend an 8mm socket with a 1/4-inch ratchet as well as a small pair of cutting snips. We begin by opening the sunglasses compartment and removing the two 8mm bolts. Before the next step, it's a good idea to wash your hands to avoid transferring any of the oil from the hand tools to the headliner. Pull down on the trim panel to detach the 4 clips. Once the clips are detached, gently pull the trim straight back to detach the area near the windshield. Press down on the connector latch and disconnect it from the stereo camera. Connect the Autostop Eliminator to the vehicle harness, then connect the Autostop Eliminator to the stereo camera. Use the included zip tie to secure the electronics housing as shown. Trim the excess from the zip tie. Starting at the front, place the trim panel into position, then press upward to reconnect the clips. Reinstall the two 8mm bolts and close the sunglasses compartment. Now that the device is installed, the setting for Auto Start Stop will be remembered and automatically restored. To demonstrate this functionality, we start the vehicle and ensure the Auto Start Stop is off using the touchscreen interface. Next, we'll restart the vehicle and show the off preference for Auto Start Stop is automatically restored. We'll turn Auto Start Stop back on to show the on setting is also remembered. After restarting, we see Auto Start Stop is allowed to remain on. We'll go ahead and turn Auto Start Stop back off and restart one last time. It's that easy to ensure your preference for Auto Start Stop is maintained on your Subaru Outback.